Good morning, student. I welcome all my dear students in the online lecture. Myself, Miss Pooja. I am going to teach you the subject English of Standard First. So, students, let us begin learning our subject English. So, are you all ready for learning English? So, students, I request all my dear students to open your English Bal Bharati textbook, English notebook and your combined book, and also to carry a pencil in your hand for referring our today's lesson, our today's online lecture. So students, open your English Bal Bharati textbook. So students, are you all ready with your English Bal Bharati textbook of Standard First? So let us begin with our today's lesson. So students, today from our English Bal Bharati textbook, we are going to study a new lesson from Unit 4. The lesson, the chapter's name is The Helpful Girl. Students, just have a look to the Unit 4. Yes, in the Unit 4, our poem number 1 was completed. Our lesson number 2, Sunny and Minnie, was completed. Lesson number 3, Good Habits, was completed. Lesson number 4, poem number 4, Favorite Things we have learnt in the previous online lecture. In our today's lecture, we are going to learn the lesson number 5, The Helpful Girl, from our Unit 4. So let us have a look to the lesson. So, Unit 4, Lesson number 5, The Helpful Girl. So, students, let me explain you in short about the lesson. The lesson name itself is about a helpful girl. Helpful. What do you mean by the word help? Can you just tell me? Yes. Help means offering someone help or helping in some or the other work. So, the lesson number 5 is the helpful girl. Helpful girl means the girl in the lesson, in the story, is very helpful. She always helps other, and she is a very kind nature girl, and the best habit in her is she is being described as a helpful girl because she is always ready to offer service or help others as they required. So, in our today's lesson, we are going to learn a story of the helpful girl. So, you can see the picture of the helpful girl. So, in this lesson, in short, we are going to study that how the girl helps and in which all activities the girl is going to help. So, the lesson number 5, The Helpful Girl, is a very interesting story, and I hope that every students will enjoy the lesson. The only thing is, my dear students, pay attention and listen carefully to the explanation of the lesson. so that you may get interest and you will also find very interesting as the lesson, the story is very interesting for you all. बच्चों, लेसन नंबर 5 द हेल्पफुल गर्ल एक स्टोरी है एक गर्ल की यानी एक लड़की की जो हमेशा सबकी मदद करती है. तो आज के हम लेसन नंबर 5 में स्टोरी में पढ़ेंगे कि उसने किस तरीके से कौन कौन से जगह हेल्प की, क्योंकि उसके हेल्प से उसका नाम दिया है द हेल्पफुल गर्ल. शी इज़ बीइंग डिस्क्राइब्ड एज द हेल्पफुल गर्ल एंड शी इज़ नोन एज द हेल्पफुल गर्ल. So students, open your page number 37 of your English बाल भारती textbook. बच्चों, पेज नंबर 37, लेसन नंबर 5 द हेल्पफुल गर्ल आज हम हमारे ऑनलाइन लेक्चर में पढ़ने वाले हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न लेसन नंबर 5 द हेल्पफुल गर्ल. आई हैव ऑलरेडी explained you the meaning in short. Again I am repeating. In this story you are seeing the pictures of a girl. The girl is known as a helpful girl. Why? Because she always help each other and also she is ready to help in her school. She is ready to help at home. She helps her mother, father, friends, also all other friends in the school. So her nature is very helpful and kind. So we are going to learn in this lesson about the helpful girl. Students, I am going to start now. So pay attention in your textbook as well as in your mobile screen. I am going to explain you, then I am going to read for you. So just have a look in your textbook. Question number 1. Read and discuss. Once there lived a girl, Reema. She was very helpful. Very helpful. She was very, very helpful. Once there lived a girl, Reema. So students, in the story you can see the girl's name is Reema and she is very helpful. You can see the first picture. The story is about Reema. बच्चों, इस स्टोरी में इस लड़की का नाम है रीमा और वो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है. हेल्पफुल का मतलब वो बहुत ही मददगार है, सबकी बहुत मदद करती है. शी वॉज वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल. You can see the picture of a girl. Yes. What can you see in the picture, students? You can see the picture of a girl. Her name is Reema and she is feeding a milk, a food to the cat. Yes or no? She is feeding some food to the cat. So she always helps. बच्चों, आप जो पिक्चर देख रहे हो इस लेसन में, इस स्टोरी में, इस गर्ल का नाम, इस लड़की का नाम है रीमा और ये हमेशा मदद करती है सबकी. नाउ द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. व्हेन शी वेंट टू स्कूल शी हेल्प्ड एवरीवन इन द क्लास. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, in the second para we are describing about Rima. So we are discussing about Rima. When she went to school, she helped everyone in the class. So her nature was very helpful. You can see in the picture. Second picture you can see she is helping. You can see the girl Rima. When she went to the school, she helped everyone in the class. बच्चों, जब रीमा स्कूल गई तो उसने अपने क्लास में सभी फ्रेंड्स की हेल्प की. Now students, her nature was very helpful. So when she went to the school, she helped each and every student, all her friends. She helped in the class. Now third paragraph. When she came back home, she helped her mother and father. Now students, when she returned to home from school, she helped her mother and father in the housework. You can see she is standing in a table and she is cleaning something. So in the home she is also helping her parents, mother and father. When she came back home, she helped her mother and father. बच्चों, जब वो स्कूल से घर वापस लौटती है तो घर के कामों में अपने पेरेंट्स की, अपने मम्मी पापा की, माता पिता की हेल्प करती है. सो द गर्ल रीमा इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल. तो बच्चों, आपने देखा रीमा ने सभी जगह पर हेल्प की. उसका नेचर ही था हेल्पफुल. उसने स्कूल में अपने फ्रेंड्स की हेल्प की, घर आके अपने पेरेंट्स की, मदर फादर की हेल्प की. Fourth paragraph. When she went to the playground, she picked up small stones and thorns. When she went for a picnic, she took care of her friends. Now students, you can see the next picture, fourth picture. When she went to the playground, when she went outside for playing outdoor game, she picked up small stones and thorns. बच्चों, जब रीमा बाहर खेलने जाती है प्लेग्राउंड में यानी मैदान में, खुले मैदान में, तो वहाँ पर वो छोटे छोटे पत्थर और थॉर्न्स यानी जो बारीक बारीक पत्थर, मट्टी और थॉर्न्स यानी जो कांटे होते उनको वो उठाती है ताकि वो अपने पैर पे ना लगे. When she went for a picnic, she took care of her friends. Now students, when Rima used to go to the picnic, she used to take care of her friends. बच्चों, जब रीमा पिकनिक जाती थी, पिकनिक यानी सहल, जो स्कूल से आपको लेके जाया जाता है बच्चों, तो पिकनिक में भी वो ध्यान देती थी कि उनके फ्रेंड्स सब सुरक्षित रहे. तो रीमा बहुत ही हेल्पफुल गर्ल थी. You can see in the picture, when Rima used to go to the playground, she used to pick the stones and thorns. And when she used to go to the picnic, she used to take care of her friends. तो बच्चों, आपको समझ आया होगा कि रीना हर जगह पर हेल्प करती थी, इसीलिए उसका नाम था द हेल्पफुल गर्ल. वो प्लेग्राउंड में स्टोन्स यानी जो पत्थर होते हैं, थॉर्न्स यानी जो छोटे छोटे कांटे होते हैं, उससे वो उठाती थी ताकि किसी के पैरों में ना लगे. एंड देन जब वो पिकनिक जाती थी तो अपने फ्रेंड्स की सहायता करती थी. Now the next student, when she went to a shop, she selected things carefully. Now students, when Rima used to go to the shop to purchase anything, she selected things carefully. It means she used to select the things which are useful for her, and she used to purchase the things carefully. She used to handle the things very carefully. When she went to a shop, she selected the things carefully. बच्चों, आप देख सकते हो पिक्चर में, रीमा जब दुकान जाती थी खरीदने के लिए तो वहाँ पर वो ऐसी वस्तुओं को सिलेक्ट करती थी जो कि वो बहुत ही यूज़फुल हो और उन्हें संभाल कर वो घर लाती थी. The last one, she made greeting cards for her friends and gave them on their birthdays. She was the best girl in our school. Now students, Rima used to make greeting cards for her friends and she used to give them on their birthday. She was the best girl in our school. Now students, when your friends come in your birthday party, when your friends give you some gift or birthday cards, how do you feel? You feel very happy. So same way, Rima used to prepare greeting cards for the friends and she used to give them in their birthday so that the friends were happy, and she was the best girl in our school. She was always the best girl because her nature was very helpful. बच्चों, आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हो, लास्ट पिक्चर है ये. रीमा बर्थडे पर सभी फ्रेंड्स को हाथ से कार्ड बना कर देती थी जिससे कि सारे फ्रेंड्स खुश होते थे. जब आपको आपके बर्थडे पे कोई प्रेजेंट मिलता है तो आपको कैसा लगता है? खुशी होती है ना बच्चों? तो उसी प्रकार से रीमा अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए बर्थडे कार्ड बनाती थी और उनकी खुशी के लिए वो उन्हें देती थी, और इसीलिए वो पूरे स्कूल में बेस्ट गर्ल के नाम से, यानी एकदम पूरे स्कूल में, पूरे विद्यालय में वो अव्वल थी. किस लिए? उसका एक नेचर बहुत ही अच्छा था, हेल्पफुल नेचर, कि वो सबकी मदद करती थी. इसीलिए वो पूरे स्कूल में बेस्ट गर्ल के नाम से प्रसिद्ध थी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हैव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड why she was known as the best girl? Because her nature was very helpful. So here we have completed our lesson number 5, the helpful girl. Now students, I am going to read the lesson. Remove your pencil and point the pencil in your textbook on the words and repeat the words along with me. बच्चों, अब आपको पेंसिल निकालना है और टेक्स्ट बुक में मैं रीड कर कर आपको बताऊंगी. आपको उन वर्ड्स को पॉइंट आउट करके मेरे साथ ही रीड करना है. 1. Read and discuss. Once there lived a girl, Rima. She was very, very helpful. Now the second paragraph. When she went to school, she helped everyone in the class. Third para. When she came back home, she helped her mother and father. The next paragraph. When she went to the playground, she picked up small stones and thorns. When she went for a picnic, she took care of her friends. The next paragraph. When she went to a shop, she selected things carefully. The last paragraph. She made greeting cards for her friends and gave them on their birthdays. She was the best girl in our school. Now we have completed our reading, students. You have to read at your home the lesson number 5, The Helpful Girl. I hope so everyone have understood the lesson about the girl, and we are going to promise that we will always help everyone as Rima did in the lesson. Yes or no, students? Yes. We must help everyone as Rima did in the lesson. So, students, take a promise that you will help your parents, your mother and father at home. You will help your friends in the school, and also when you go outside, you will help your friends everywhere. Now, question number 2. Write the actions that Rima did. You have to write the actions that Rima is doing in the lesson. This we are going to see in the notes. So the first action, can you tell me what she is doing? She is feeding the cat the food. In the second, she is helping her friend in the class. The third action, she is helping her parents at home. The fourth one, she is picking stones and thorns, and she is helping her friends during the picnic. She is selecting the things carefully. And the last action, she is making greeting cards for her friends and she is giving them on their birthdays. So these are the actions which Rima is doing in the lesson. Now students, read the lesson at your home. Practice the difficult and new words from the lesson. Thank you students for watching today's online lecture. Stay connected for the next online lecture. Thank you.